Welcome to Woodside Academy. Today's episode will be discussing bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled prokaryotic organisms, and they are found everywhere. They belong to two kingdoms: eubacteria, which are your common bacteria, and archaebacteria, which are your extreme or ancient bacteria. Bacteria come in three basic shapes: cocci, bacilli, and spirulia. The bacilli are your rod-shaped bacteria. Cocci are your bacteria that have a round shape, and then your spirulia or spirulium bacteria are your spiral bacteria. Each one of these shapes is shown in the pictures on the screen. The first kingdom that we will discuss is the archaebacteria kingdom. As I mentioned earlier, it's known as your ancient or extreme bacteria, and they are prokaryotes. These bacteria, unlike eubacteria, thrive in an anaerobic environment. This is an oxygen-free environment. These bacteria are chemosynthetic, thermophiles, and acidophiles. Unlike their photosynthetic cousins, the chemosynthetic bacteria rely on the chemicals and nutrients around them in order to survive. Archaebacteria tend to be found in deep ocean vents, hot springs, and salt flats. The second kingdom is the eubacteria kingdom. These bacteria have been estimated to have been around for 3 billion years. Unlike anaerobes, these bacteria actually require oxygen, and so we call them aerobes. They are found almost everywhere, including on you. Eubacteria may be both harmful and beneficial. Harmful examples of eubacteria include Streptococcus pharyngitis, which causes strep throat, and Clostridium tetani, which causes tetanus. If you notice the images at the bottom of the screen, Streptococcus pharyngitis, or the strep throat causing bacteria, have a round shape. The strepto indicates that they actually form a chain. The Clostridium tetani are bacillus-shaped bacteria, and in this picture, if you notice, you see them in their endospore form. Endospores protect them from the environment. Beneficial bacteria include bacteria that aid in making yogurt and cheese and certain antibiotics, as well as insulin. How do bacteria reproduce? Bacteria can be both sexual and asexual. Binary fission is the asexual form of bacterial reproduction. In binary fission, the DNA replicates, and then the cell pinches inward and splits in two, as shown in the picture. In the sexual form of reproduction, known as conjugation, two cells exchange a portion of their DNA across the bridge between the two cells. If you notice, here's the bridge, and we refer to it as a pili. In the video that's being shown, it demonstrates binary fission. Unlike viruses, bacterial infections can be cured using antibiotics. Antibiotics work by inhibiting the growth of some bacteria by destroying the cell wall or interfering with protein synthesis. Well-known antibiotics include penicillin and tetracycline. This concludes the episode on bacteria for the Woodside Academy.